Your brain can feel happier in only 15 seconds. Most people never discover these tiny brain tricks. They take seconds, yet completely change your mood. Your brain loves simple actions more than complicated ones. Let's test your mind together right now. Don't skip because the first trick works instantly. Ready to surprise your own brain today? Take one slow breath before we begin. Notice how your body already feels calmer. Now let's unlock brain trick number 1. Brain trick number 1 is called the tiny smile. Even if you do not feel happy, gently lift the corners of your mouth for 15 seconds. Your brain notices your facial muscles before it understands your emotions. That small smile sends a positive signal inside your mind. Scientists call this facial feedback. Your face quietly tells your brain how you might be feeling. The smile does not need to be big. A small, natural smile is enough to begin changing your mood. Try it with me now. Smile softly and keep breathing slowly for the next 15 seconds. Notice how your shoulders begin to relax. Your body is responding to the message from your face. This simple habit is useful before school, work, meetings, or difficult conversations. You are not pretending to be happy. You are giving your brain a helpful starting signal. Many successful people use this tiny trick before speaking, performing, or making important decisions. Congratulations. You just learned your first 15-second happiness trick. Now let's discover an even more powerful one. Brain trick number 2 is even easier. Find one good thing around you right now. It could be warm sunlight, your favorite drink, or a friendly smile. Your brain naturally notices problems first. This habit helps balance your attention. Spend just 15 seconds noticing something positive without checking your phone. Notice the colors, the shape, or simply how it makes you feel. This tiny exercise teaches your brain to notice good moments more often. The more you practice, the easier happiness becomes to find every day. Small positive moments grow into stronger habits inside your brain over time. You do not need a perfect life. You only need to notice one good moment. Great job. Your brain is already becoming better at finding happiness. Now let's learn the final trick. Brain trick number 3 is called the gratitude reset. It takes only 15 seconds but can completely change your mindset. Think of one person, one place, or one moment that made your life a little better today. Do not rush. Hold that memory in your mind for just a few seconds. Notice how your breathing becomes slower and your body feels lighter. Gratitude helps your brain focus on what you already have instead of what is missing. This does not solve every problem, but it changes how you face those problems. Strong minds practice gratitude because it trains the brain to stay balanced during difficult days. You can practice this before sleeping, after waking up, or anytime stress appears. 15 seconds each day can slowly build a happier and more peaceful mind. Now you know 3 simple brain tricks. The real magic begins when you practice them every single day. Small brain habits create big happiness. Keep practicing and become your best self.